So what I did was I measured from here to here on our teapot, and I rough cut with the fabric 8 inches. I added just a 1/4 of an inch on either side, okay?
Perfect.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start here, and I did the same with my fusible. We have all sorts of different kinds of fusible on our website, okay? So whatever makes you happy. And then what you're gonna do is, nice Kenyan, got my iron super hot here,
Nice.
okay? So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna iron the fusible to the back of your fabric.
And isn't there like a way to tell between like is it the smooth side versus
Right, the paper side.
That's right.
The paper side goes up, because the bumpy side is where that
Adhesive.
sticky stuff is. And you'll know right away if you do it wrong.